Hey B&H viewers, today we're taking a look at the Canon G5X Mark II. Now the camera's been completely redesigned. It's lighter, more compact, and more capable than ever before. The flip-up LCD screen makes composing selfies a snap, and pop-up electronic viewfinder deploys when you need it and easily tucks away when you don't. Under the hood, there's a brand new 1-inch 20-megapixel stack sensor. Now that, combined with Canon's latest DIGIC 8 processor, gives you excellent performance at higher ISOs, incredibly responsive autofocus, and burst shooting up to 20 frames per second in JPEG. That is fast! You can even get up to 30 frames per second in raw burst mode. Now, video is good. You've got UHD 4K at 30 frames per second. You can get up to 120 frames per second in full HD. The flip-up screen is excellent if you're a vlogger, but if you require an audio input jack, you might want to try the G7X Mark III. So the best thing about the G5X Mark II, easily the lens. Canon packed a 5X 24 to 120 millimeter equivalent lens into a compact camera that easily fits into your back pocket. Name of the game here is flexibility. Whether you're shooting landscapes, travel, or portraits, this is an excellent camera that you can always have with you. So who's it for? Photographers wanting the look from an interchangeable lens system camera without having to carry the interchangeable lens system camera. The warmth of Canon's colors are legendary. And with the G5X Mark II, that look, that feeling, it's just gotten a lot more portable. For more on the Canon G5X Mark II photography and all things imaging, visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time.